Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruvimbo, and on today's episode I'm going to be talking you through how I wash my clip-ins, which I'm currently wearing at the moment. Before we get started into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I start by separating the hair out into the same width length. This just makes it easier to handle the hair while I'm washing it. So once I've filled up the sink with water, I go ahead and grab a section of the hair. I then give it a good rinse and scrub, trying to get as much dirt off it as possible. This is important just because I don't use shampoo to wash my clip-ins. The main reason being it dries the hair out and ruins the curl pattern over time. I then squeeze off some of that excess water off the hair and then go in with the conditioner, and I'm quite generous with the amount that I put on just to give the hair as much slip as possible and allow me to somewhat run my fingers through the hair. As you can see, I follow this up with more conditioner. I then go ahead and give the hair a good scrub, making sure that I focus on the wefts, as this is where most of the dirt accumulates. I then go in with my denim brush, starting from the bottom and working my way up, just as I would with my own hair. Again, this is a good technique to use, especially if your hair is quite knotted. I continue to brush the hair until most of the knots are gone. This is usually indicated by the brush being able to easily slip through the hair. I then lay the hair aside before picking up a new segment. I then go ahead and grab all of the hair and then rinse it under warm water. Again, I'm quite thorough with this process, ensuring that I remove all of the product off the hair, which helps to ensure that the hair is nice and clean and that there's no residue left over. Once I'm done, I then go ahead and grab all of the hair and then rinse it all under warm water again. As you can see this time, it's easier for me to be able to run my fingers through the hair as a bulk, and you can see my fingers aren't getting caught and there's no knots in the hair, which is a good sign. Once I'm done, I squeeze off any of the remaining water and then put the hair to the side again before going in with my deep conditioner. I then grab a segment of the hair and then run my fingers through it using the deep conditioner. I make sure that the hair is completely covered and coated before leaving it to the side to marinate. That's the best word I'm going to use today. I follow this up by covering the hair up with plastic. This will help to keep both the heat and the moisture in and help with any frizz and leave the hair feeling soft and looking nice and glossy. As you can see, the hair is looking nice and nourished, which is what we're after. I then grab a section of the hair and then run it under warm water again, just to remove any of that deep conditioner. This time I'm a little bit more gentle just because I don't want to cause any frizz. I also use a scrunching technique to try and remove any of the excess water in the hair before laying it to the side and starting on a new section. To dry the hair, I hang it on a towel rail. Just a disclaimer, I don't turn the heating on. Instead, I leave the hair to dry out naturally. I usually prefer to use this method over things like towel drying, t-shirt drying or blow drying, as it limits the amount of frizz. And if this isn't an option for you, then what you can use is a hanger with clips and then just hang it somewhere appropriate for the hair to dry. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said before, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.